What's the meaning of crusted? Crusted. Crusted.
Crusted. Crusted. The term crusted typically refers to a hard or thickened layer on the surface of something, often as a result of drying, cooking, or a buildup of material over time. When something becomes crusted, it usually takes on a rough or lumpy texture, and may become more difficult to handle or work with. This can happen with a variety of materials, from food to soil to skin, and the resulting crust can have different properties depending on the context in which it forms. Overall, the term crusted suggests a hardened or toughened surface that has undergone some kind of transformation.